We were on our way through the deepest waters. Tried to concentrate, but the noise it drowned us out. And there we were down, down, down in pieces before we could cross the line.